Hey there, I am Dorian, and this is the Nautilus. Come on in.
And the greeters?
The greeters, Ludwig and Nicola. So this is my 40-foot Thomas. It's a 94 Thomas. And it's a pusher. It's a Cat 3116 engine with an Allison 643 transmission. This is kind of the main living area. I call it the Nautilus because it's very submarine-like. Kind of wanted a good combination of workable but industrial as well. So let's travel through. Skylights I removed. This is kind of a first draft experiment. I put in actual skylights in there. That one is open. You'll see one in the back that's closed right now. Nice way to let light in for me since I don't have any interior windows in here or exterior windows. Let's see. Lots of stuff from Home Depot in here. That's kind of been my main source of building. I was a builder before this, so many moons ago. I learned how to do construction and yeah, kind of built it as I would a house. Lots of wood, lots of walls, nice walls, that sort of thing.
And this storage back here behind me, or?
Yeah, that's closed back there. You can see that drawers, just standard cabinetry, really. The hardest thing about building in a bus like this has been trying to get the curves of the bus and make that sit nicely. Yeah, and standard cabinets. These were all bought from I'm trying to think of the name of it, great recycled building supply place in Portland. Had all these maple cabinets for super cheap, and I just made them fit, made them work. Get some lights on in here. Bedroom area. Just kind of a nice, cozy place to hang out.
All right.
Sleep, more storage up here, good bookcases,
I like
that sort of thing. Yeah.
The draped, yeah.
We have a similar theme, kind of a steampunky vibe to it, rich colors, and yeah, I like that as well. My original idea was to put fabric on all the walls. I don't know if you can see that.
Right.
That was kind of a leftover of the first draft. It still needs to be trimmed out, but I left that because it worked, but the rest of the walls did not work that way, so that was when I went to the wood.
That's what I did in my bed area, as I put up
Nice.
Carpet padding,
Yeah.
the fibrous kind,
Yeah.
and then covered it with an upholstery.
Yeah.
And it deadens the sound and makes the walls a little bit less cold when I lean against them at night.
Sure.
So, but yeah.
And then back here, this is my workspace. So obviously this is where I spend a lot of time. Full recording studio, V-drums, 2 touchscreen monitors that allow me to place it wherever I want. Primarily for work, I'm a mix engineer and a music teacher. So I've got 3 cameras in here focused on different instruments that I can play at different times to allow students to pretty much see where I am and see what's going on. And then I also get in mix projects from other people that have recorded at home, and I mix them and make them sound good. And then when I'm not doing that, I do my own composition work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Very nice bus.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, and if people want to get a hold of you, so social media.
Yeah, social media. I'm on, for just me, Dorian Britton. Facebook / Dorian Britton, Britton.
Okay.
Or for the bus, if you're interested in the bus, it's the Nautilus Bus at Facebook.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig, and join us again next Saturday for another episode.